Morning guys, man, my back is totally messed up yesterday from swimming. It's been so cold. Sleeping in the hammock doesn't really help, but it's felt much better today. It's really nice here in Yosemite sleeping. A little windy at night, but it's perfect for sleeping in the hammock. It's not even cold at all, just a little light jacket, and that's all you need. But just starting breakfast right now. Got some coffee already. And now we get some bacon, bacon,
But
eggs,
another two of my
and then
employees,
have
they're
a
also Asian.
fun day. So we're here, El Cap, as you can see. It's gorgeous. There's the truck. There's El Cap. Definitely a cool area to go take some photos and just sightseeing. Super busy here at Glacier Point, like always. But the view is amazing, that's why everyone goes here. Well, check that out, you know, I see Half Dome right in front of you. Good area to get some ice cream for the kids. But we're gonna head back into the valley. So busy right now. Alright guys, we are finished with Glacier Point. Definitely highly recommend if you guys ever want to do a drive and see something cool. Glacier Point would be it. There's many area to take some iconic photos with Half Dome in the background, and then you can also see all the way down to the valley where the Merced River is. You see it run crisscross and intertwine to the valley. But beautiful areas, highly recommend it. You don't have to spend that much time there. Just even though it's restricted and reservation only in Yosemite, it's quite crowded. So, but visitor center there, not visitor center, actually it's just a small grocery store, has ice cream, so that's a nice treat for you guys there. Alright, it's gonna take us another hour to get back to Yosemite Village, have lunch there, and then chill by the river. Alright, see you guys there. Alright guys, so after lunch, time to chill the water. So this cool beach area, but look at the view. Bam! El Cap. So we're gonna chill right underneath El Cap over here. Not the cleanest looking water, but at least there was water. So that'll be fun. So the little kids can have their fun time, but it's cool. El Cap right here. Chilling out here. Look at, got a little bit of nature. Wish I got my big camera, but got some bucks here. It's just chilling. Look at that, half dome. Just kidding. El Cap in the background. It's so low. We've jumped off that bridge before in the past, but man, never seen the water so low like this. Crazy. So we are finished with chilling at the river. Kids are done. They probably want to be back at the campsite, but man, this area is gorgeous. Right there behind me is El Cap, and the other view is Sentinel. It's part of the Sentinel domes. But yeah, since the river is so low this year, we're able to go down here and chill. So we'll head back to camp, chill a little bit, get a fire going, just enjoy the rest of our night here in Yosemite Valley. Alright, catch you guys later. Korean barbecue tonight. The rice cooking. Ooh, smells good. Marinated beef, short ribs going. Thank you to the chef. All nice and brown.
I'm looking at that.
Oh, so good. Alright, Korean barbecue night. The rice, chicken, short ribs,
You have
salad,
stuff on your plate already.
and
You want
kimchi.
some chicken?
In your
Ooh.
first place. Or
It's gonna be
You
good.
said you didn't want chicken. You want?
She wants some.
Special
Do you want something, John?
cake for
Okay, I'll have some of hers.
Okay.
camping, celebrating 13-year anniversary. That looks so good.
It looks like it. Looks like it.
Cake next to a fire and camping. What can be better? Ooh, it looks so good.